skincare set for glowing skin is 10,000 naira and below. This set comprises of your soap, your serum, your moisturizer, and a eye cream. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edith Francis. If today is your first time of coming across this pretty face, welcome to my channel. Feels so good to have you here. I'm going to be showing us this beautiful skincare set to achieve a glowing skin. This skincare set is suitable for all skin type. This video is practically put up for those sensitive skin people, okay? I do have some sensitive skin people who usually ask me for the right moisturizer for them to use or soap for them to use. So this is a set. You don't need to think of having a soap or think of buying a moisturizer separately. This is a set. You get them in a set and it is 10,000 naira below. We all know how good this is. This is a juicy offer. This economy is not friendly at all. And all we need is budget-friendly skin care kits. And the product I'm going to be talking about is gojiberry products. And this is how it comes. Yes, this is how it comes. This is the set, okay? This is your soap, and this is your eye cream for your under eyes. You know, with sensitive skin, we are prone to sunburn, and you still need it for your under eye to help your under eye look young. And this is the serum, and this is the moisturizer. Okay, this set is 10,000 naira below, okay? Suitable for a sensitive skin, suitable for all skin type, but very beautiful on a sensitive skin because it is very mild and skin friendly. All right, if you're battling with redness on your face as a sensitive skin, this serum is wonderful for you to use. Actually, this is not a vitamin C serum, okay? This serum contains hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanicals, okay? So this is it. I also use a vitamin C serum. I use Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Okay, that's because I can't lay hands on balanced, active, sensitive here in my location. So if you can lay your hands on balanced, active, or sensitive skin, you can use that instead of Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Okay, let's review this product one after the other. Let's go with the soap. Okay, this is the soap. It contains, they still contain same thing. This is gojiberry beauty bar with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanicals, paraben free, fragrance free. Of course, you know, as a sensitive skin, if you're very sensitive to fragrance, this is the best soap for you. This is a fragrance free soap, okay? It says beauty expertise, anti-aging hydration formula. Okay, this is 100-gram soap. Okay, let me show you what this soap looks like. Okay, yes, this is how the soap looks like. This is what it looks like. I have opened it and I have cut from it. Okay, if you want your soap to last longer, okay, don't use it like the full bar. Okay, cut it and always use it little by little, mostly for your face. Okay, cut it and always use it little by little. All right, I make use of this, and I make use of Ghana Alata, the Alata Samina black soap. I make use of it also. I know how I regulate them. So this is how the soap, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's it for the soap. All right, this product is rich in medlar extract. The active ingredient can quickly and effectively clean the skin, as well as the nutrients can deeply replenish and whiten skin. Okay, so this is it for the soap. Now we are going for the moisturizer. Okay, gojiberry facial cream with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanicals. Okay, paraben free, fragrance free. That's it. Okay, they contain probably the same thing. All right, so this is it for the, and the serum, same thing. This serum works for face redness, and this is the eye cream. Okay, let me show you what the cream looks like. Sorry, So this is the cream. This is how what it looks like. All right, this is it inside of it. It has a cover inside of it, and this is the moisturizer inside of it. Okay, so this is it, and let's move on to the serum. Okay, this is what the serum looks like. This works for face redness. It works beautifully for face redness. Okay, this is what the serum looks like. All right, this is what it looks like. Yeah. It's also FQA for anti-aging. Okay, anti-aging. And this is the eye cream. All right, this eye cream, it helps your under eye against aging. All right, and it can also help you with your sunburn, but I will be very, very frank with you. Okay, it is not a quick remedy for your sunburn. Okay, you will see your sunburn fading off gradually. Okay, it's not a very quick remedy for your sunburn. Okay, but it helps the sunburn, it fades it off gradually, and it helps your under eye look younger. All right, so if you're growing old, you're already in your late 20s, you're in your early 30s, you should start using an eye cream, okay, to keep your under eye young. All right, so this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what the eye cream looks like. All right, so this is the set, affordable set you can use as a sensitive skin. This is suitable for all skin type, but this video is made for sensitive skin because most of the times we find it difficult to discover the right product, okay, for our skin. This is very, very okay as a sensitive skin. This is 10,000 naira below, very economical. All right, so this is it. All right, if you want me to put up a video for a skincare if you want me to put up a video for skincare products to use as an oily skin, you can as well let me know in the comment section. I'm going to put up that video, okay, for oily skin, skincare product for oily skin. I'm going to do that. All right, so let me know where you're watching us from. Let me know if you've tried out gojiberry before, if you love gojiberry, or if you're going to try it out. Remember, it's suitable for all skin type. All right, don't forget, click on the subscription button, click on your bell notification so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video. Give the video a like, share this video so others can come across this video, and see you next time. Bye.